Welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. The Silverado is featured in a tungsten metallic paint finish and is the LT trim. Under the hood is a 4.3-liter V6 engine paired to a 6-speed automatic and 4-wheel drive. Inside the vehicle we have 5-passenger seating on our jet black cloth seating surfaces. We have heated seats in the front of the vehicle. We also have power adjustable pedals, a integrated trailer tow brake controller. Outside the vehicle, we have our black alloy wheels, a tonneau cover, as well as a spray-on bed liner. Starting off in the front of the vehicle, we have a chrome and black finish door handle, power mirrors, power locks, power windows, and our child safety and rear window lock. Some storage, as well as our speaker in the bottom of the door. Just inside to the left of the steering wheel, we have an integrated trailer brake controller, transfer case settings for our 4-wheel drive, as well as all of our lighting controls. Down the side of the driver's seat, we have our power settings, and the seat itself is finished in our jet black cloth. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, you can see our Z71 display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system, including our trip computers, oil life, a tire pressure monitor system, fuel economy settings, a timer, as well as more. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings. Right-hand side has voice recognition, hands-free, as well as the controls for that driver information system. Column shifter behind with our tow mode on it. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system, AM, FM, Sirius XM, CD player across the bottom. Also have a phone connection, as well as OnStar navigation. Volume and mute on the left, radio, media, home, and back hotkeys, as well as seek and our eject. And we have menu controls on the right if we want to use it over the touchscreen. Down below on either side of our climate, we have our heated driver's seat and heated passenger seat. Between the two, we have dual zone front climate control, auto mode, sync, front and rear defrost, AC, as well as all of our zone settings and our power and fan control in the center. Across the bottom, we have power adjustable pedals, our traction control, high bed lighting, rear park assist, as well as downhill assist. Below that, we have all of our power inputs, 3 USBs, 2 12-volt plugs, and a 120-volt plug in the front of the vehicle. Some storage as well as space for our devices. Behind that, 2 cup holders with more storage, leather finished console with storage up top. Moving to the passenger seat, finished in our same jet black cloth, and it's heated for the passenger with a powered setting. Moving above the rear view mirror, we have all of our dome lighting controls, universal garage door opener at the front, power sliding third rear window, our dome lighting for our door open. Then lastly, we have a sunglass holder in the back. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving down to our front tire and rim, we have a black alloy rim with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap, as well as an all-terrain tire. Moving out, we have black capped mirrors, as well as black door handles, Z71 badging near the back of the vehicle, as well as our corner bumper steps. All the way around at the back, we have our orange Chevrolet bow tie, Silverado and LT badging in chrome, a chrome bumper, as well as our trailer tow hitch. Opening up into the back of the vehicle, we have an easy lift and lower tailgate, some cable tie downs in both the front and the back, as well as our tonneau cover above. Moving into the back of the vehicle, we have our chrome and black finished door handle, power window control, some storage throughout the door, as well as our speaker. Inside the vehicle, storage pockets in the back of the driver's seat, as well as in the back of the passenger seat. Between the two front seats, we have our storage spaces, as well as a 12-volt plug. Moving to our second row seats, we have a 60-40 fold-in split finished in our jet black cloth. In the center seat, 2 foldable cup holders. Behind it, we have a sliding third rear window. Lastly, if we simply lift up on the bottom of these seats, we can fold them up and we can make additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2014 Chevrolet Silverado. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolfe Chevrolet soon.